Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do the basic shape for this headband. Now I will not be showing how to do the vines because I already have tutorials on how to do the vines, which you can go and check out, but I'll be showing just how to do the basic shape and how to do a basic headband. And of course the flowers as well, I have tutorials on many of them as well. So for this tutorial you are going to need yarn. I'm using DK yarn here in green. You're going to want to weave those ends in. I can never remember what these are called, so I'm just going to say that. 2.5mm hook and a pair of scissors. So let's get started, shall we? So first we are going to start by making a slip knot. You can do that any way you like, and then we are going to chain 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 50. Now we need to chain an extra one as our turning chain. So we've got 51 chains. Now we're simply just going to single crochet along the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If there are any stitches that you're not familiar with in this tutorial, I do have all of these foundation stitches in my Learn How to Crochet tutorial playlist. So you can always go and check them out and they will show you exactly how to do each stitch. So there is your first row. Now you're going to chain 1 and do another row of single crochet. You're going to keep doing that until you've reached your desired thickness. Once you've done that, come back and we will work on the next step. Now, I'm just doing a very thin little flower crown sort of headband, so this one's going to be very basic. I will show you how to do a basic tie for it. However, if you want to do a vine headband, and I've got one that I can show you that I've previously done. So I do have this one which I am working on at the moment. And as you can see, you can do the vine headband. I've gone with large leaves on this headband. This is a slightly different shape, but it just gives you an idea. So you can go and check those tutorials out, and you can apply these to it, and I will tell you how to do it as well as I'm working on this. But this is just going to be a simple flower headband, nothing too intricate. So what I'm going to do, what I've done here is I've just done 3 rows of single crochet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip stitch into the middle, which for me will only take 1 slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain another 50. Now if you are doing this as a vine headband, you can still do the same. However, I would suggest slip stitching to here, going across to one of my other tutorials. I have a tutorial on how to do the big leaf vine headband, and I have a tutorial on how to do the dainty leaf vine headband. So go away, do what's in that, because this is just going to be chaining, and simply enough to do that from this point. So I'm going to chain 50 for my tie. So once you've got your 50 or however many chains you've done, tie, just cut your yarn and pull through. So that's our first headband tie. And on the other side, in the middle, what we're going to do, I'm going to make a quick slip knot. And then I'm just going to, from underneath, slip stitch into the middle of the other side, and I'm going to chain 50 again. So once I've done that, I'm going to just cut my yarn and pull through. So then we have our basic little headband. Just weave in your ends, and from that you can, I've done a cack job. I should have slip stitched one more in. But yeah, from there you can simply just add your flowers on. I have plenty of flower tutorials by now, so you can just go check them out, add your flowers. I have a few flowers that I am planning to add on to this. Weave in your ends, and there you have your very basic, probably done a better job than I have, headband. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do give it a like and subscribe, because I give you a tutorial every week. Sometimes it's a foundation stitch tutorial, sometimes it's more complex tutorials, and this is an upcoming tutorial on how to make this headband shape so that you can have your various different styles. And I've already released the large leaf and dainty leaf headband tutorial so that you can literally just attach them on, and you can have a variety of different headbands if you wish. So yes, I hope to see you. I also have a series which is I Made It So You Don't Have To, where I review craft crochet kits on Temu and tear my hair out. And I am currently working on some other tutorials in other various different crafts as well, which I'm hoping to start releasing soon. So we won't just have crochet, we will have a bit of everything, I'm hoping, because I love sharing, I love learning new skills, and I love sharing them with you. So please do press that like button, subscribe, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!